There's one thing that stands between us and the harsh environment of space: our atmosphere, the part of Earth that sustains all life. But here, in the closest town to the North Pole, it's slowly leaking away. Our planet is surrounded by a magnetic field that helps us hold on to our atmosphere. But at the North and South Poles, the magnetic field bends inwards, exposing our atmosphere to space. These corridors are known as the polar cusps, and they're where 100 tons of atmosphere escapes into space each day. A team headed to Ny-Ålesund, on the island of Svalbard, to launch rockets into the northern cusp. But it's not the lack of atmosphere that they're concerned about. The leak is a natural process that will take billions of years, so we're not going to run out anytime soon. It's part of the larger story of how a planet's atmosphere changes over time and whether it stays around long enough to sustain life, a key factor in the search for life on other planets. And at the right place and time, anyone can see atmospheric escape.
In Svalbard, we have the so-called polar night. It's dark all 24 hours.
This continual darkness is key for witnessing the cusp aurora. It's a type of northern lights that appears during daytime hours, but you can only see it when it's dark. It looks similar to the aurora that occurs at night. But when these iridescent colors dance at this hour each day, 100 tons of oxygen escapes from Earth's atmosphere into space. The rocket mission is named Visualizing Ion Outflow via Neutral Atom Sensing 2, or VISIONS 2. Their goal is to fly through the cusp aurora.
So the cusp actually isn't a fixed point in space, it kind of moves around.
They're using a sounding rocket, which is different from the bigger rockets that carry satellites and humans into space. It's a small suborbital rocket that flies briefly into space, collects real-time data for around 15 minutes, then falls back to Earth. It's affordable, quick to build, and can launch towards a precise point. A 15-minute flight might not seem long, but hidden within the numbers will be answers that reach far beyond Earth, shedding light on how atmospheres throughout the universe change, evolve, and perhaps support life.